Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to find missing or lost emails in Gmail trash or spam. First of all, open your Gmail account. On the left side, click on the More button and it will show some other option here, and click on Spam and Trash. In this spam or trash, maybe there are some emails that really don't need to go to spam or trash, but they go to spam or trash. So we need to move these emails on spam or trash to our inbox. So how to do that? Click this box here and click not spam button here. So after clicking that not spam button, the emails that previously in spam move to inbox. And then for the emails in trash, we can click the box and click the move to icon, then click inbox. It will move the emails in trash to inbox. So if we go to inbox now, we will see both emails that previously in spam and also previously in the trash. Okay, that's all. How to see the lost or missing emails in Gmail. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and see you in the next video. Bye.